afternoon. Just had a few pictures and some video footage from the body shop. A mate of mine actually went up there to take his car, and he's took me a few little snapshots and a quick video of Agatha being worked on. The body shop themselves have got a lot of footage of the welding being done and stuff, which they haven't sent me yet. They're really busy, but I just thought I'd throw this in just to sort of show you how we're getting on with the project. Hopefully we'll have her home shortly. So yeah, there is no audio over it. I've had to throw some music on because they've got the radio on, and I've had a copyright strike before about music in the background. So yeah, a few photos as you can see from what's coming up. Catch you later. Cheers.